Hello students, welcome to my channel Victory Zone. Please watch the video till the end, and if you like it then please click the icon thumb impression, and after that subscribe it and share it as well as you like. Okay, now we'll start from the radical and the functional group. What is radical and what is functional group? These are the two basic parts. Which basic parts? These are the two basic parts of the organic compounds. Means all the organic compounds are made by two parts. First is alkyl radical and the second is functional group. All the organic compounds which we know are made by two parts. These two parts are alkyl radical and second is functional group. Now you can understand it by this structural formula. If you ever had seen it before or not, it doesn't matter. You can understand by this simple structure formula. This is our alkyl radical. And this is functional group. This is the simple organic compound. We can differentiate in two parts. First is the carbon root chain is known as alkyl group, and the other atoms group which is known as functional group. The alkyl radical decides the physical property of the compound, whereas the functional group decide its chemical properties. Clear? In an organic compound, the alkyl radical decides its physical nature or physical properties. Other than this, functional group of an organic compound decide its chemical properties. Okay? Now, move on towards the radical. What is this radical? What is this radical? This radical is, we can understand it by that when one position is vacant or one hydrogen is removed from the saturated hydrocarbon, then it forms alkyl radical. Clear? What is this radical? When one position is vacant in the saturated hydrocarbon or one hydrogen is removed from the saturated hydrocarbon, then it is called as alkyl radical. And when one hydrogen is removed from aromatic hydrocarbon, then it is called aryl. What is this? This is called aryl radical. Clear? What is the difference in between alkyl radical and aryl radical? When one hydrocarbon is removed from saturated hydrocarbon, then it is known as alkyl radical, and one hydrogen is removed from aromatic hydrocarbon, then it is known as aryl radical. You can understand it by like that. Suppose RH. We write it here RH. What is this RH? This RH is alkane. Here we remove a hydrogen. Now what is this? This forms an alkyl radical. Clear? Look at here once again. This is suppose we write it RH, then this H or hydrogen is removed and this position is vacant. Clear? This position is vacant. Then when hydrogen is removed from saturated hydrocarbon, then the position is vacant and this group is known as alkyl radical. So this is alkyl radical. Now what is the naming of this radical, or how is the naming of this radical? Suppose here the name is alkane. This suffix ane, this suffix ane is removed. Yeah? And the suffix yl is added. Clear? For this naming, the ane is removed from the hydrocarbon and in place of that yl is added, and this is known as alkyl radical. So this types of naming can be done for this alkyl radical. For example, suppose this is methane. Now, one hydrogen is removed, so this forms CH3 and this is vacant position. Now, what is the naming is? Methyl radical. The name is methyl radical. Next, C2H6. It is ethane. Hydrocarbon is ethane. Now again, H is removed. One hydrogen is removed from both of the sides. The what becomes here? C2H5, and this is the vacant position. This is the vacant position. The presentation of vacant position is must for writing the radical. So this is, what is its name? Ethane. So name of this radical is ethyl. Clear? What I said? Alkane or hydrocarbon, its last name ane is removed and in place of that ane only yl is added. So the naming of the radical is done. For example, suppose CH4, it is methane. One hydrogen is removed from this methane, so it becomes CH3, and along with this one vacant position. So this is known as methyl radical. Again, take another example of C2H6. C2H6 is an ethane, and when we removed one hydrogen from this ethane, then it becomes C2H5 and with one vacant position. Now this is known as ethyl radical. And now after that we may study about the radicals of unsaturated hydrocarbons. Students, if you like it, then please click the icon thumb and subscribe it and share as well as you can. Okay, now understand the radical of unsaturated hydrocarbons. So firstly, we may write this is a ethyne. This is our ethylene. And from this ethylene, when one hydrogen is removed from this ethylene, when one hydrogen is removed, then its position becomes CH2, and this CH2 with CH. One hydrogen is removed from here, and along with this one vacant position. And the name of this unsaturated hydrocarbon is vinyl radical. Vinyl radical. Clear? When one hydrogen is removed from ethylene, then it becomes vinyl radical. Another example, you may take this CH2 double bond CH with again CH3. Now here we can write it here minus 1H. 1H is removed and its name is propylene. Clear? And the radical which forms it here is CH2 along with CH and CH2 with vacant position. And the name of it is allyl. So don't forget these radicals name and study it very well. And if you want to form notes, then please pause the video and make it down in your copy, notes in your copy. So this is the radical of unsaturated hydrocarbon whose name is vinyl and allyl, like that. Okay. Thank you, students.